Hey everyone, welcome to Apna channel S Square. As you all know, this is the part 2 of general awareness. In this video, format is somewhat different from the previous one. The format of the video is I will ask question, then give you 10 seconds to answer, and then tell you correct answer. And I have provided explanation with some of the questions in which I feel necessary to provide explanation. So let's begin with our first question. Question number 1. Bauxite is used as raw material by which industry? Comment down your score out of 25. Answer is aluminium. Bauxite is the main source of aluminium at industrial level. Question number 2. दूधसागर फॉल्स इज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट इन इंडिया? दूधसागर फॉल्स कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है, किस स्टेट पे लोकेटेड है इंडिया के? आंसर इज गोवा. Sea of Milk is a four-tiered waterfall located on the Mandovi River in the Indian state of Goa. Water plummets from a height of over 1000 feet to form one of the most amazing natural phenomena in Goa. Question number 3. The system of competitive examination for civil service was accepted in principle in the year. I hope you will find these questions helpful. So please like the video. Answer is 1853. The Charter Act 1853 introduced open competition system for recruitment of civil servant. It was open for Indians also for the first time. Question number 4. With which religion is Kaivalya associated? Kaivalya किस religion से associated है? Answer is Buddhism. The Yoga Tattva Upanishad reads Kaivalya is the very nature of the self, the supreme state. It is without parts and is stainless. It is the direct intuition of the real existence, intelligence, and bliss. Question number 5. Which of the following state is not known for the production of cardamom? इनमें से कौन सा स्टेट इलायची का प्रोडक्शन नहीं करता है? Answer is Odisha. Question number 6. Besides CO2, the other greenhouse gas is? CO2 के अलावा दूसरी ग्रीनहाउस गैस कौन सी होती है? Answer is CH4. CH4 means methane. In order, the most abundant greenhouse gas in Earth atmosphere water vapor होती है. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone, chlorofluorocarbon, hydrofluorocarbons, etc. Question number 7. Where does the Jhelum river join in the Chenab? Jhelum river कहाँ पर join होती है चेनाब से? We regularly upload these types of quizzes, so if you find these quizzes helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Answer is Trimu, near Mangla. The Jhelum breaks through the outer Himalayas into broad alluvial plains. At the city of Jhelum, the river turns southwestward along the salt range to Khushab, where it again bends south to join the Chenab river near Trimu. Question number 8. National income of India is compiled by? Answer is Central Statistical Organization. Central Statistical Organization performs the various functions. Some are national income accounting, annual survey of industries, economic census, etc. Question number 9. The Vijayanagar ruler Krishnadev Raya work Amukta Malyada was in? Please give feedback of this quiz in the comment box. If you need any correction, so we will definitely work on that. Answer is Telugu. Question number 10. Which river of India passes from maximum number of states? आंसर इज गोदावरी। गोदावरी कहाँ से पास होती है? महाराष्ट्र से, तेलंगाना से, छत्तीसगढ़ से, आंध्र प्रदेश एंड पुडुचेरी। ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, व्हेन ग्रेनाइट रॉक्स गेट मेटामॉर्फोस्ड दे फॉर्म। Answer is gneiss. Granite is an igneous rock. Gneiss is a rock formed by high-grade metamorphic processes from pre-existing formations. They were either igneous or sedimentary rocks. Question number 12. Who among the following wrote the book Algebra of Infinite Justice? You can also comment down any topic in which you want quiz. This book is written by Booker Prize winner Arundhati Roy. The Algebra of Infinite Justice is a collection of essays. Question number 13. With whom is Varghese Kurian associated? Answer is White Revolution. He was not only founder of Amul but was also responsible for setting up of as many as 30 such institutions including IRMA and GCMMF. Question number 14 is, which of the following issues the Consumer Price Index? Answer is Central Statistical Office. Question number 15. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India deals with the Uniform Civil Code? And the answer is Article 44. Article 44 of the Constitution of India says that the state shall endeavour to secure for the citizen a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. Question number 16 is, who among the following cannot participate in the election of the President of India? Answer is nominated members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. In Rajya Sabha, 12 members are nominated by the President, and in Lok Sabha, not more than 2 members can be nominated by President. As these people are nominated by President, they cannot participate in election of President to avoid biased decision. Number 17. Bhima Basin, where the small and medium-sized low-level grade uranium deposits are found, in which state? Answer is Karnataka. Question number 18. Which river is known as the Ganga of Italy? Answer is River Po. Question number 19. Don is a famous river of. Answer is Russia. The Don is the fifth longest river in Europe, flowing from the central Russia to the Sea of Azov in southern Russia. It is one of Russia's largest rivers and played an important role for traders from the Byzantine Empire. Question number 20. The victories of Karikala are well portrayed in. Answer is option C. Question number 21. Triptakas are sacred books of. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. Answer is Buddhist. The sacred book of Buddhist is called Triptaka. It is also called the Pali Canon. after the language in which it was first written. It is written in an ancient Indian language called Pali, which is very close to the language that the Buddha himself spoke. Question number 22. The Treaty of Srirangapatna was signed between Tipu Sultan and answer is Lord Cornwallis. The Treaty of Srirangapatnam signed 18 March 1792 entered the Lauder. It includes signature of Lord Cornwallis on behalf of the British East India Company, representatives of Nizam of Hyderabad and the Maratha Empire, and Tipu Sultan, the ruler of Mysore. Question number 23. Under Akbar, the Mir Bakshi was required to look after. You can share this video with your friends who are preparing for competitive exams. Answer is military affairs. The head of the military was called the Mir Bakshi. Appointed from among the leading nobles of the court, the Mir Bakshi was in charge of intelligence gathering and also made recommendations to the emperor for military appointments and promotions. And the last question for today is question number 25. The Battle of Plassey was fought in. Answer is 1757. The Battle of Plassey was fought in northeastern India on 23 June 1757. Troops of the British East India Company led by Robert Clive came up against the forces of Siraj Ullah, the last Nawab of Bengal, and his French allies. Okay, अब मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.